Look, whether you're 15 and begging your parents, or 35 and trying to justify the $500 to your spouse, the problem is the same. You want the console, but the math isn't mathing. Most people see a PS5 as a purchase. In thin-line logic, we see it as a 500-unit obstacle. If you're broke in 2026, it's usually not because you don't have a job. It's because you have leaks in your system, or you're ignoring the easy glitches right in front of you. Here is every logical way to get a PS5 this year without waiting for a Christmas miracle. The Tech Autopsy. Go to your closet right now. You've got an old iPhone 11, a dusty Nintendo DS, and 3 Pro controllers with stick drift. You're hoarding silicon that loses value every day it sits there. Sell it all on a local marketplace. If you can find 3 things to sell for $150 each, you aren't buying a PS5, you're just trading your past for your future. The subscription Bloodbath. Check your bank statement. You're paying $12 a month for a gym you don't visit, $15 for a streaming service you only used for one show, and $5 for some pro app you forgot you downloaded. This is ghost money. Cancel it all today. That's probably $50 a month back in your pocket. In 10 months, that's a PS5. You didn't work harder, you just stopped letting corporations rob you in your sleep. The Boomer Tech Support. If you're under 30, you have a superpower. You know how to use a menu. There are thousands of small business owners, plumbers, electricians, cafe owners, who would pay $50 just to have someone fix their Google Maps listing or set up an automated out-of-office email. Do 10 of these. It takes you 20 minutes each. That's your console. The Marketplace Sniper. People get desperate. They move houses, they get dumped, or they just need quick cash for rent. They list stuff on Facebook Marketplace for 40% of what it's worth because they need it gone now. If you have $100, buy a steal, clean it up, take better photos, and list it for $180. Do that 5 times. You've turned $100 into a PS5 through pure patience. The Dopamine Fast. Stop buying $10 burritos and $7 energy drinks. Seriously. If you're in your 20s, convenience is the tax you pay for being lazy. If you pack a lunch and drink water for 60 days, you've saved the $500. It sucks, but while everyone else is eating a lukewarm burrito, you're playing GTA 6 in 4K. The Referral Glitch. Every new fintech app, betting site, or delivery service in 2026 is desperate for users. They'll give you $10 or $20 just to get a friend to sign up. Don't be a spammer. Just be the guy who knows where the deals are. Get 25 people to use your link for a new app, and the app literally buys you the console. The Digital Mercenary. Got a skill? Can you edit a 60-second vertical video? Can you write a decent caption? Can you remove a background in Photoshop? Go to a site like Fiverr or Upwork and do the small jobs that nobody else wants to touch. $20 here, $30 there. It adds up. Treat it like a side quest in a game. Complete the quest, get the loot. The Inventory Arbitrage. Go to a big box store and look at the clearance rack. Sometimes they have items marked down 70% because the box is slightly torn. Buy it, take it home, and list it on eBay for the full price. You're using the store's inventory pressure against them. It's a low-level glitch, but it works every single time. The Refund Hack. Did you know most credit cards and bank accounts have rewards points you've never touched? Check your portal. You might have $150 in points just sitting there from buying groceries over the last year. Cash them out. It's literally free money that you've already earned but were too lazy to claim. The 2026 Cleaning Play. This is the most boomer advice, but it pays the best. High-end cars get dirty. Wealthy people don't have time to detail them. Buy a $30 cleaning kit, go to a nice neighborhood, and offer a basic interior detail for $80. Do 6 cars. That's a weekend of work for a lifetime of gaming. A PS5 isn't expensive. It's just 500 units of $1. If you can't find a way to get 500 units of anything in 2026, you aren't suffering from a lack of money. You're suffering from a lack of logic. Stop looking at the $500 and start looking at the 10 small glitches you can hit this week. Hit subscribe if you want the map to the next level. This is Thin Line Logic.